Unlock the future of AI creation with Sora 2 by mastering the invite code process. First things first, you'll need to locate your exclusive Sora 2 invite code. This code will be provided to you through an email, a special announcement, or a direct message from Sora 2 itself. Keep it safe. Once you have your code, head over to the official Sora 2 platform. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started section. This is usually located prominently on the homepage or within a dedicated account creation area. On the Sign Up page, you'll find several fields to fill out, including your desired username and email address. Crucially, look for a field specifically labeled Invite Code or Redemption Code. Now, patiently and accurately enter your Sora 2 invite code into this designated box. Double-check for any typos or missing characters, as the code is case-sensitive and must be exact. Once entered, proceed by clicking the Redeem Code or Submit button. If your code is valid, you'll receive a clear confirmation message that your code has been successfully applied, granting you access to Sora 2. Congratulations! You've now successfully redeemed your Sora 2 invite code. You're officially on your way to exploring all the incredible features and exclusive early access that Sora 2 has to offer. Dive in, experiment with the AI, and enjoy being among the first to experience the cutting edge of AI generation.